If you've ever wondered how successful people start their day, or how you can set yourself apart with just how you show up, then watch this video. Hey there, it's Tanae. Welcome back to Empowered Being Channel. Today, we're talking about how to approach your day and wake up with intention. How we wake up, it really impacts how our day unfolds. If you wake up feeling rushed, if you wake up with this chaotic mindset, then your day is likely to reflect that kind of energy. But when you wake up with intention, when you decide ahead of time of what your day will look like, what you're going to wear, what you're going to do, then everything begins to look different. You take control of your day rather than letting your day control you. And it starts the moment you open up your eyes, the moment you place your feet on the floor. When you wake up, dress for success. Whether you're going to work and headed to your office, whether you're remote and working from home, whether you're going to the grocery store, the way you present yourself influences how you feel about yourself. Looking good not only gives you this confidence, but it shows those people who are watching you that you mean business. So when you look like a boss, you feel like a boss, you think like a boss. Now, take a few moments each day and really begin to center yourself. Set your intentions for the day. Ask yourself questions like, what do I want to accomplish today? How do I want to show up for others? What vibe do I want to bring when people interact with me? Those intentions will help you to step into a day that's full of purpose and focus. Now, please know that it's the small things that we do that can set us apart. When you show up with intentions, let's say you're dressed well, you have a clear mindset, you're ready to make moves, people notice. So success isn't about what you do, it's how you show up. And when you show up like a boss, you'll start to feel like one too. So in all of this, please know that you have to set intentions for yourself. Take control of your day and make an impact on how people view you so you can start waking up with intention. Dress the part, set your goals, step into your power because you are empowered. Now, please don't forget to subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time. Be empowered, be well, and be you.